Hi everyone, I am Anubi Khandelwal and I am the founder of TerraFab. Traditional robots have a teach pendant which is used to teach for a specific part kept at a specific location, which means it's only viable for high volume, low variety industries till today. Otherwise, the viability gets lost when there are a lot of SKUs, when there are lots of parts or there are lots of variations within the same part. TerraFab brings a new technology which allows robots to have eyes and brains. So basically, the robot can scan the part, automatically find out where it is kept. It's basically teachless. You don't have to program. So there is no dependency on a programmer anymore. Secondly, you don't need fixtures. You can keep the part anywhere in front of the robot. Robot will automatically go, identify the position, identify the orientation and go and weld on it. And the third part, it adjusts to gaps and any deviations or variations automatically. For instance, for welding, it will automatically control the parameters that are required, weaving amplitude if that is required. Which means now it is viable even for industries which are low volume, high variety or high volume, high variety. If your SKUs keep changing, if you have a lot of gaps and deviations, if you don't want to build multiple fixtures, this is a solution for you. So currently what's happened in last 4 or 5 years, particularly in India, but actually globally also, there's an extreme shortage of skilled labor. And skilled labor is different than unskilled labor. Unskilled, we have plenty in India. But skilled labor, where you require years of experience to understand something, like in welding, you develop intuition over so many years. That is what's missing. With the gig economy, labor quickly preferring to be an Uber driver or a Swiggy driver, the manufacturing is taking a hit here. We don't have labor. So that's one thing that's happened in past few years. Secondly, the technology has taken a monumental leap. Now vision system that we are using is backed by the technologies which world has developed over so many years. And the third thing that's happened is the government push and policies for manufacturing. With these three things combining, we are expecting a huge scale, a massive change to happen on manufacturing shop floors, and TerraFab wants to lead that on from the front. So we want to be the folks who bring physical AI to the manufacturing world in India and everywhere.